This is Remy Storm Spot at your news live. We got a little bit of a weather problem situation here. But before all that, it is currently 82 degrees outside. That's also the high, by the way. I know, crazy, right? And low 72. As you can probably see, there's a bit of a storm right there. That is going to last starting right now all the way to 11. How convenient. I'll be sleeping by that time. I kind of messed up. I meant 7 a.m. Sorry for all the people living in the Chicagoland area. That won't be fun. Just like 2 days ago, I was kept up by a thunderstorm for like an hour. Just lightning, just yelling in my ear. I'm pretty sure one hit like right there. Not obviously behind that house, but that was loud. But yeah, that's coming straight at us, so we'll probably just chill here a little bit. So now remember, if you live somewhere in the Chicagoland area, I wouldn't recommend being outside. This could be a very bad storm, or it could just be a thunderstorm and, well, nothing crazy happens. I hope nothing crazy happens. So stay weather aware, and now remember, weather never sleeps.